Hey, Sarah,
Yeah,
do you want to make a blanket?
I would love to make a blanket with you, Jenny Fish.
Oh, I can't wait. So that's the beginning of our conversation when we decided to do another blanket
Make
along. Because I knit, she does both. So she always gets stuck with the crochet pattern because I get to make the knitting pattern.
I don't feel like I'm stuck. I love crochet.
So we came up with this idea. This year is the 15th anniversary for Missouri Star, which is a sister company of ours. So we were inspired by their logo and by quilt making, but we both wanted to show our Missouri Star blankets.
So make sure that you tune in for the make along with Jenny and I. If you're a knitter, you can knit along with her. If you're a crocheter, you can crochet along with me. Bring in your friends. You can craft together.
Absolutely. And you can pick up the kit at onebighappy.com. You can get a crochet version or the knit version.
Happy stitching.